How to share or send Google Sheets on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. For that, you may open up Google Sheets on one of your browser, open it up and open up the Google Sheet that you would like to share. Now all you gotta do in order to share or send the sheet is, from this given interface at the very top you can easily find a share option with a blue box in it. So just go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it you can name your presentation, your spreadsheet if you haven't named it. So just go ahead and do that. After that, click on save, and then once you do that it gives you option to share it like this. Now you can either go ahead and directly share it through email address by typing in the email address and sending it by even writing up a message if you prefer. You can even look out for access, like what kind of access you would like to give, like viewer, commenter, or editor. Once you've selected everything, all you gotta do is simply click on send option, or you can copy the link. So you can directly click on send option. Otherwise, what you can do is, in order to send it directly on WhatsApp, once you've copied the link, you can just go ahead and open up WhatsApp in your device. Once you open up WhatsApp, head over to the chat where you would like to share the Google worksheet to. So just go ahead and open up the chat, and then once you open up the chat you should be finding an inbox section. In this type of message section you can just go ahead and paste the worksheets link right here and send it, and that should give access to other people. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to share your Google Worksheets into your WhatsApp application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.